and welcome to the J&S YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about ladies clothing and in particular a ladies kit out. I've got the Frank Thomas FT36 SV helmet, which stands for sun visor, and as you can see, if I just use that, it's got a little internal sun visor which is UV protective. You've got the clear visor which has got a wide peripheral vision here for better viewing. You've obviously got the beautiful cherry blossom colourway, but obviously there's in different colourways as well. There's the plain version, there's matte versions as well as gloss. This is gloss cherry blossom pink. You've got the, I don't think you can see it from here, but there's a ratchet system here, so a micro ratchet system, retention system. Obviously full ventilation system there and right through to the back, and then a bit of a spoiler at the back. I don't want to put it too much, might make her a bit decapitated there, but not in real life. So I don't know if you can see the actual spoiler there, making it a bit more aerodynamic and therefore lightweight, and also I've just taken a head off. A head off. Okay, it's back on, don't worry. Okay, so now we've got the BKS Chelsea jacket. Now this jacket has been an absolute bestseller for us at J&S. This is perforated here, as you can see, but also the main thing that the women like is the waist here. If you can see, you can actually make the size, different variable sizing on it to make it in or out. But obviously, when you sat on the bike, that's actually a really handy positioning for you, because it just means that you can be a little more comfortable, but then obviously off the bike, a bit more fashionable. And if you look here, there's actually some panelling here, some stretch panelling, which again, if you've had a big roast dinner or something, or you've had a bacon butty in the morning, that's always a good way as well to help you feel a bit more comfortable on the bike. Got a few little pockets here. Okay, so if we open it now, just got a little bit of Velcro there, just to keep that there with a bit of a stylish BKS flap there. So let's just open it up now for you. Now it's all YKK zips as well throughout, good quality sturdy zips there. And if you look here, there's actually it's actually not leather, but it's a waterproof and textile storm cover here. Just basically stop the wind from getting through the zip, and actually, you know, it really is quite protective. Okay, so if you look inside there, you've obviously got the lovely BKS detailing. You've also got some pockets inside as well, which is always very handy. But you've got a removable quilted liner, so you can use this for all seasons, which is also fantastic. But also we have got a lot of ladies, because obviously the armour, I don't know if you can see there, if you take this lining out, the armour comes out, and it also comes out in the elbows as well, so this can actually be used as a casual jacket as well, which a lot of our customers do, because obviously it's not the most typical looking motorcycle jacket because of obviously the belt, and also just a bit longer, so it's a bit more of a fashionable styling. It's got, I don't know if you can see at the back, I'll have to turn, sorry Jess, let's turn you round. It's got the elasticated bit there as well, which again, just a bit more movement when you're on the bike or off the bike. And then again, just a bit longer at the back. So when you're sat on the back, especially if you're a pillion, not necessarily if you're a rider, but if you're a pillion especially, wind at the back can be a real problem. So this is just a bit longer, just to make sure there's no drafts, no unwelcome drafts coming through. And the IXS Lauren t-shirt underneath there. Nice Diamante t-shirt, not protective, but rather lovely. Okay, and then we've got the BKS Roxy trousers. Now these are our best-selling item for ladies by far. Let me just get a pair now. So the BKS Roxy trousers, they are quite stretchy. Now obviously it doesn't really go across on camera, but they really are, they feel lovely. And we've had a lot of customers loving these because they're just so comfortable. But the other thing they are is protective. Now all this is aramid fibre. So this lines the whole of the trouser, and that's a whole layer of protection, as well as you see approved armour. So you've got the pockets there. The other thing is you can take these out really easily, just very quickly and easily, just with a little pocket there. So basically, you can be walking around all day, take these out, put it on the bike and the panniers, and then just put them back on when you want to get on. We have a lot of customers who do that. They've obviously got the belt loops as well. Obviously the really subtle reflective detailing, so you can't even see you've got it on in the day, but at night, when you want it to be seen, it's seen. Obviously you've got the stretch accordion as well, and the fashionable skinny styling, which also goes into boots, which is always a good look. You also get the hip armour, which comes in a little separate pocket. Okay, so now on to boots. These are the Frank Thomas Isabella boots. These are, again, our best-selling boots for women. They've got a heel, as you can see, but obviously, I don't know if this translates onto camera either, but they've actually got a really grippy sole, anti-slip sole. So even though it has got a heel, it's not too high, and obviously you've got all the support in there as well. Okay, so they've got the zip, they've got YKK zips as well, so it's good quality zips. Opens right down there to make it easier to get on, and also opens this side as well, so making it, when you've got leathers on, it's a hell of a lot easier to get it on like that. And obviously it's got this to stop the chill getting through as well, a big material there as well for you. They've also got a waterproof membrane, making these 100% waterproof for you, which no one wants wet feet. Okay, and then reflective detailing, subtle reflective detailing during the day. Wouldn't really look at it. During the night, you've got a bit of visibility there. And then you've got the stretch here for easy movement on the bike and off. And we also sell a lot of these, I think because a lot of our customers have told me they'd wear them off the bike as well as on the bike. So when you're out for the day or something, these boots double up well, and they go very well with the Roxy jeans that I've just shown you for a big smart outfit. So there we go. And now onto the best-selling gloves that we have. These are the Frank Thomas Evie gloves. They come in different colours. These are obviously the black ones. And I don't know if you can see, but there's some detail on those. There's some embroidery, some flower embroidery, and just a bit of nice fashionable styling there. But there's actually a leather panel as well for extra protection on the gloves. But there's also on the palm some flower detail on the palm protection. It also gives some added grip as well. These are also waterproof with a waterproof membrane throughout, and they've actually got a comfort liner inside. I don't know if you can see, as well as elastication at the wrist and a Velcro buckle for personalisation for sizing. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe the J&S YouTube channel and to ding the little bell for more notifications. Thank you.